unboxing. Okay. So here I am unboxing this box, which is a basin for a bathroom faucet setup. Customer wanted me to change out the faucet and the basin and put a new one in. So, checking it out. Now I'm just taking everything apart from underneath. I already took the waistline out, and now I'm taking the hose. So everything's all set now. I'm going to pull out this faucet and basin. Use one of 7-in-1. Some people call it 5-in-1. I have more stuff on mine. Pull it out, grab it by the faucet, get it out of the way. Now, after that, I'm gonna just grab that new basin and set it up and put the faucet on. Tighten everything down nice and snug, because later on I don't want them to have any problem with it. It shifts. Make sure everything's tightened down. Use my little crescent wrench. I'm doing a good job at that. Making sure everything is good. Of all this curry. Right, so I just caulk this. So I'm just gonna do never. Just adding some. Make sure I get it good. Putting some caulking around it. I asked her, did she want clear? She said that she would prefer the white. So I said, okay, no problem. The white's gonna be okay anyway, so be good to go. So setting it up, about to drop the sink in now, aka basin. Everything is all good. It's about to turn on the water, and I'm gonna run the caulk on it and seal it, make sure everything is good. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.